Starting a YouTube cash cow is a very profitable business in 2021. So when you're starting your channel, you need to make sure you pick the right niche. In this article, I will be going over the top 3 most profitable YouTube niches in 2021. Number 1. Tech niche. The first niche we are going to be going over is the tech niche. Now, the tech niche on YouTube is very profitable and something straightforward to do. So what is the tech niche on YouTube? The tech niche on YouTube is simply videos that revolve around technology, mainly new and evolving technology in many different categories. This can include new technology in cars, such as the latest forms of car technology coming out, such as electric vehicles coming out in the future. We also have the possibility of flying cars coming out in the future to be videos on that. Technology also includes things such as phones, so new phones coming out in the future. It could also be based on future robots that can come out in the future. This can also include technology based on healthcare and technology based on even future military technology. And all of those subtopics I just listed are not even the entire technology niche. Because there are so many different videos, ideas, and other topics based on technology in the tech niche, overall, the tech niche on YouTube is one of the biggest and most profitable niches. For example, many channels are always starting in the tech niche. One example of a significant cash cow channel in the tech niche is Tech Vision. This is a channel that is heavily focused on tech and the futuristic aspect of many new technologies. You can see that the channel is monetized and making an estimated $30,000 to $60,000 per month in profit as an excellent cash cow channel. This is only one example of a cash cow channel. There are so many other cash cow channels in the tech niche too. Another cash cow channel in the tech niche is called Futurology. This channel has over 100,000 subscribers, and this channel is one of that also focuses on the future world and future cities. As you can see by its videos, they are getting consistent views, and the channel is also monetized. However, this cash cow channel is much smaller, and it seems that this channel is making around $10,000 per month profit. These channels are relatively easy to create because most of the content you need to make the videos either exist on Google Images, YouTube itself, or lives on Storyblogs, which means that the cash cow's video creation isn't actually that hard. It's just finding out what types of videos your viewers may like will probably be the most challenging part, because unless you're interested in tech and the future, these channels sound very dull to you, and you will probably have a hard time running them. Number 2. Personal finance niche. The next niche we are going to be talking about is going to be the personal finance niche. No, personal finance is one of the highest paying niches on YouTube. We have seen many YouTubers come out and show just how much they earn from their YouTube videos, especially even if they didn't get a lot of views. For example, if you look at Tommy Bryson, we can see that in 2020 he had 20.4 million views and made over $30,000 profit. And this is because his channel is focused on creating mainly high CPM content revolving around personal finance. His content focuses on personal finance, which has a starting CPM of around $25. It means that even his content doesn't get that many views, he can still profit quite heavily from these videos. Now, that was just an example of a regular channel that makes personal finance videos. Well, what about a cash cow channel then? Well, I will show you an example of a cash cow channel doing quite well as a personal finance cash cow channel. If we look at this channel called Betterment Bows, we can see that this channel is regularly uploaded and monetized. We can also see that this channel's content format is animated video explainers, which are not that hard to do if you spend some time learning the simple software that is available, such as either Doodly or Animaker. Both those software allow you to produce either whiteboard explainer videos or animated content. Both of these video styles are easy to learn and easy to make once you get to hang of them. It will be best if you spend some time learning the basics, and once that is done, begin to create content. So how much profit does this channel Betterment Boss actually make? Considering that this channel is even focused on personal finance and making money, the average monthly views for this channel are around 7,500,000 monthly views. We can estimate that this channel earns a whopping $25,000 per month in profits, and this is because your content is based in the right niche and is monetized. Not only is their content in the right niche, their content is also longer than most people are now beginning to make 8-minute videos to put mid-roll ads in. But if you have longer videos than 10 minutes, you can also add video ads at the end of the video, giving you even more revenue. This is why this channel is most likely earning around $25,000 each month in profits from a heavily automated cash cow channel. Number 3. Luxury niche. Our next niche is going to be the one that is quite popular. However, this niche is still growing, and there is plenty of room for more cash cow channels to be created in this niche. This niche is a luxury niche, and this niche on YouTube is also one of the highest paying CPM niche on YouTube, with around $17. When you're discussing luxury products, the majority of your viewers are going to be all the people interested in purchasing these luxury products. This means that if your videos are older, then they're more likely to have money to buy the products that are being advertised. Thus, telling your CPM will be much higher than other YouTube channels. The luxury niche channel that does the luxury videos well. There is a channel called alux.com. This channel has been around for many years now and is still going very strong. The channel averages approximately 6 million views to 8 million views per month and has very long form content. This means the channel is going to be a channel that makes a decent amount of income. First of all, not only is the channel in the high CPM niche, the channel is making videos that are much longer than average. They're frequently making videos that are around 80 minutes long, which is long for YouTube standards. This means that this channel has a very high RPM, and your RPM is basically how much you get paid over 1,000 views. So this channel is most likely earning around 200,000 profit per month. That's right, and I know it sounds crazy, but it's true. This channel is most likely making well over $2.4 million per year just making cash cow videos. This will be most likely to be more than that in the future as more advertisers come onto the platform and start placing more ads on the channel. Conclusion. Overall, you can see that there are many niches out there that pay out a decent amount. So guys, that was everything that I wanted to share with you. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more information like this one. Have a nice day.